How to create counting number effect in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open CapCut application and create a new project with the video in which you want to include counting number effect. After that, go to text option, add a text, and now here you can simply add the numbers which you want in your effect in this video. Once you have added all the numbers, arrange it in the format you want. Here I am arranging it in a vertical format. Now, after the text has been edited, simply take the text until the end of your video. Now arrange the one at the bottom, add a keyframe from the undo option at the top, move the text above now and bring each number one by one. Now, after you add one keyframe, automatically when you move the cursor, CapCut will add keyframe to your other portion of the video. And now, as you can see, the effect has been applied. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.